Hello everyone, I hope all is well. This is Justin Simmons, DKC Realty. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we're covering step 7 in the How to Buy a Home series. Woo! Time for that inspector. So, if you've been with us throughout our journey, we already built our dream team earlier in the process, but in case you did not have a chance to hire an inspector, now is the time. You already got your accepted offer. We need to get an inspection done ASAP so we can move the process forward or decide if this is not the right house for us. So let's talk about the inspector themselves. The first thing is, how do you find an inspector? Well, there's plenty of ways. Remember, you have your real estate professional. They can recommend an inspector or multiple inspectors to you. You have family and friends that may have purchased a home and they have an inspector that they recommend. Maybe you know someone in your own personal circle. Maybe you're going online and looking up reviews. All these different ways you can find a professional inspector. I would recommend, if someone's referred to you or even if you know them personally, still check their reviews online. Okay? And in the event that they refer to you or you find them online, ask your real estate professional if they know them and have had any feedback about them from previous clients. You just want to make sure that you get the person that's a right fit for you and does a great job inspecting the home and making sure that all the safety features that you're looking for are met. When you're talking to the inspector, ask them what the inspection covers, right? A lot of times people make assumptions about what a home inspection is and isn't, but now you have the person who's actually conducting it on the line or you're meeting them in person. This is the best time to find out exactly what they're going to be doing for you. Remember, there's things that are in the home that might not be covered under the general inspection. That oven that you were worried about, they might not inspect, but ask them up front so you have a good sense of what they will cover and what they won't, and make sure that it matches the needs that you have. In addition to the general home inspection, you want to ask about secondary specialized inspections as well. Maybe you need or want to check for termites, pests, radon. Maybe there's a pool in the house and you need a pool inspection. Maybe there's a septic tank and you need a septic tank inspection. So ask ahead of time to see what they might include with their general home inspection. Maybe they have termite and pests already included. And ask what's an additional add-on that either they can provide you with or they might have to refer out to someone else. That can help you decide if that inspector is a good fit for you, or if you just want to use that inspector and then maybe for a specialized secondary inspection like a radon test, you use someone they refer or you'll find someone else to take care of that part. But know before you go. The more you know, the better in this instance. Another tip, ask the inspector about any warranties they may provide. So if they do a home inspection, maybe within 3 months, they're giving you a certain warranty that they'll give you a partial refund or full refund or help pay for something in case something that they should have noticed they didn't while they did the inspection. Now they are professionals, but they're humans, so things might fall through the cracks. You never know. So ask them about the warranties as well. Another thing, ask the inspector how long it takes for them to turn around their inspection report. So we don't have 3 or 5 business days or a week to wait for an inspection report. Especially when we're in a competitive market, other offers can still be coming in even though the seller accepted yours. They can still take another offer. So we're trying to get into executed contract, so they can't do that anymore. And they're moving forward with our deal on our purchase. So we want to make sure we go as quickly as possible, thoroughly, but quickly as possible through our first few steps. We can't afford to wait several days for an inspection report. Some inspectors, I even know one, give you on-the-site reporting. You don't even have to wait 3 hours. It's done when they're done. That's fantastic, as long as they do a thorough, good job. Some might say a business day or two, right? The quicker, the better, combined with being a great inspection and giving you a comprehensive report, that's going to make it easier for you and make you more competitive. Even though you have an accepted offer, you still got to think of the mindset, I'm still securing this house for myself. One of the first steps towards really securing it is when you get into contract. So we're trying to get you there as soon as we can. Last tip for the inspector. ask them if their inspection is just for right now, the current status of the house right now and its major systems and potential safety issues, or if they're also helping you budget for the future, okay? So a good inspector will tell you what's going on right now. A great inspector will tell you what's going on right now, but also help you plan ahead for certain things as well. Maybe the roof is still leak-free in good condition right now, but you want to budget to replace it in 10 years. Maybe the furnace has another estimated 5 years of life left. Great inspector will tell you that. They also put it in their report, so you can find out from them when you should be planning to budget for certain things. Okay? Okay. I think we could wrap up. We're good. We had our interview with our inspector. We've decided who to hire. Next week, we're covering the inspection itself. We're moving along. In the meantime, more videos. Check it out right there above. See something else you're interested in? Hey, stay with us. You can also check out the comments and descriptions below. Got more there for you as well. The hashtag jsbxhomes. You can follow me across the socials. I'm trying to be everywhere. You can subscribe to this channel right down there. 3 educational real estate videos every week. And if you're in need of an inspector yourself, hey, go to my website, justinsimmonsbronxhomes.com. We have a list of service providers there as well, so you can find and interview an inspector that you're interested in working with. And the link to my website is also down below in the comments and descriptions. Thank you so much for joining us. Look forward to talking to you soon, and I hope you have a great day.